Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw No My Love Heart from Steal a Brainrot Roblox. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the box of chocolates. So over towards the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out towards the side. Now on the right, we're going to pull this line down. We're going to, from that inside corner, bring this diagonal line across. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the top here. Now let's close this off with another diagonal line, pulling that through. From that corner, we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. And then again, we're just going to bring this over towards the side. Let's step over. We're going to flatten this out, pulling this down. And then stepping over again, just drawing in another straight line as best as we can, bringing that all the way across. Let's draw the chocolates inside now. So we're going to come over on the side here, drawing a diagonal line coming over. We'll do the same thing on the bottom following this through. So we're just going to pull this all the way over. Let's come in on the top, bringing this diagonal line across. And now we're just going to flatten this out on the very top, pulling this over. Now let's draw the chocolates inside. So we're going to start from the bottom here. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same thing, leaving quite a big gap as we step across. Let's replicate that, leaving an even amount of space. And then again, one last time on the very far right. Now let's come in, we're gonna draw in another line. So leaving a smaller gap this time, we're gonna pull this out, ending that at the same distance. And we're gonna come across and do this to all of our lines. Now let's flatten this out. So on the left-hand side, we're gonna bring this diagonal line across, leaving a gap, replicating that. And we're just going to close off all these rectangles as we move over. Now from here on that corner, we're going to pull a small diagonal line coming down. And now as we move across, we're going to come down, drawing in a diagonal line. We'll do this all the way across. And then now from here, we're going to pull this back down on a diagonal again. And then on the inside, just another small diagonal line to close off the front of that chocolate bar. Let's step down. So again, diagonal line coming across. We'll do this on all of the rectangles. And then we're just going to pull this line back down from the edge there. Just making sure that connects. And then we'll do that one more time on the back here for that corner. Now let's move up and draw in the heart. So stepping over, further over to the right, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out and then in. Moving up, drawing this diagonal line out and then back in. Again, pulling this up and over. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out and in. And then bringing this up and across. Again, one last time, bringing this out to the left, pulling that back through. And now let's come over on the top here. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's round up the heart on the right-hand side. So we're going to curve this over, tucking this down, pulling this in to the box of chocolates. And now on the top, again, we're just going to round that out, curving this over and through to the bottom. Let's come over on the left-hand side. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out, bringing that back up. And then again, pulling this over and through. Now from here, we're going to pull this up and in. And then we're going to bring this line out, bringing that through towards the top. Now from here, let's draw a diagonal line coming down. And now let's draw on the side of this heart. So on that top line, we're just going to continue curving this around, pulling this over and through towards our inside line there. And then starting back on the top, stepping over, rounding out the top edge, curving that down. Let's draw in the mouth. So starting on the top, let's draw in an arch line, tucking that down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Moving over to the inside, we're going to curve this up, over, and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's color in our mouth black. Let's come up for the eyebrow. So we're going to step up and we're going to curve this around and out. We'll step over doing the exact same thing on the right hand side. Now let's come up. We're going to curve this down and through towards the inside, replicating that on the right. And then again, we'll just color these in black. Now we can come down and draw in the eyes. So on the inside here, we're going to curve this line down. We'll step over to the outside, arching this down, ending that at the same height. Now we're going to draw the tears falling down. So we're going to step in. We're going to curve this out, down, up, tucking that back around. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So stepping in, we're going to curve that out, tucking that down, back up, pulling that in. Now underneath, we're going to curve this down towards the bottom, tucking that back up. And then we're just going to close that off underneath with another curved line. Bring that over. Now let's draw in the pupil. So stepping in, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. On the top, on the inside corner, drawing in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then we'll come down on a diagonal, replicating that. Now let's color in our pupil black. Now let's just draw in the arm. So as we come over, we're going to come across from this corner here. We're going to curve this down. We'll step in on this line. We're going to round this out. So we're going to curve this down and in for that first finger. Stepping across again, curving that across. And then again, one more time, just arching this around and then pulling that back up on the side. Let's close off the arm. So stepping in, we're going to arch this around and through towards the side. We're going to tuck the leg in here. So we're just going to curve this down. This is going to be bent. And then stepping in, replicating that one more time. Now let's step over for that left arm. So we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming out. We're going to curve this line around and down for the first finger there. Stepping up, curving that out again. Moving across again, curving that over. And now coming through on the back, just curving this around, pulling that back in on the side. And then for the leg here, we're just going to draw in a small straight line coming down. And that is it. That's how you draw No My Love Heart from Still a Brainrot Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.